Okay, so in relation to a B0002-13 or colon 13, I'll put the descriptors. It's going to be the same for the primary or the secondary. Basically what it's saying is the ohm resistance between these plugs that go to the back of your airbag and your airbag module, which is somewhere under there, has basically an open. If it's a 50, 56, I'll put a picture up. If it's this ohm rating, it's basically an open circuit. To test that, the easiest way, if you follow service data, it wants you to test from here all the way into there. You're going to be here all day if you do that. Easiest way to do it is test from these. So you'll remove the airbag, remove the bottom side of your steering column cover, and then the colors match to right here. Come on, focus. So you have your blue and white on the other one that's hiding, and then purple and green. Well, purple and yellow and green. So you're matching it to these. Now they can be reversed. So if you're on the purple down there, it could be purple and yellow, purple or yellow and green up here. So you want to make sure you check both leads from each location, but you should get from all four of those connectors there, you should get 0.0 or 0.2 ohms to at least to all of these somewhere. If you don't, then it's your clock spring. Your clock spring has failed. If you do, and you're still getting that code, then you're going to need to dig a little deeper. But that is the tip I have for that. So hopefully that helps.